We are out here. This is RPM Garage Dallas, and I wanted to come by and visit their location and kind of show you guys what they have today. This is going to be just what's sitting here the day I was here, but the idea is that they have come out to events and showed support for local automotive car culture, and so I'm going to show support for their location, and here we are. So right away I see something interesting. I see tons and tons of supercars and sports cars, and so it's always nice to see a variety. And they have this Volkswagen bus here. I can't really get away from this too far. I've pulled the hood down, but I wanted to show this. This is pretty clean. Again, it's not all sports cars and supercars. There's so much more in car culture, and these guys have a great variety. We'll push the hood up and we'll look under it. And here's under the hood on that. So, like I said, they have a nice variety out here. I'll give you a sense of what's sitting here today. And here's the interiors on that. Got the bench seat with the centerpiece there, and I bet that's a tilt wheel. Remember the tilt wheel steering? So I'm just grabbing stuff that grabs my attention. This is a E63S wagon. It's got the AMG, and I can tell you I'm a fan. I'm enjoying this. So there's some of that. And here's that. The E63S from the back, the wagon. Some people don't like wagons. They're a part of the community, so I always enjoy seeing them come out. I just started up the Supra over here behind me. I wanted to get a shot of this. This is really nice. I'm a fan. I think I should be on the other side where the light is. But like I said, they've got a nice variety in here. Tons of different types of vehicles. Here's the interior on that. What I know of these, I would assume that this is a replica, because to have an actual one of these is rare, and they're kind of expensive. Getting a treat here, getting a rolling shot on some stuff. They're moving stuff around. Getting some exhaust and some rolling shots. Another example of the variety out here. Looks like I don't have the year, but it looks like a 65, 66 Mustang. It's a convertible. So they got some different stuff out here. I'm gonna spend a minute, show you what they have. I get to show you the RPM photo booth here. And look what's sitting. Oh, it's a Lightning. Oh man. Dig it. I have the exclusive on this. Get it to actually see the action. After filming the Lightning, I spin around and there's an SVT Cobra sitting over here. Get you a shot. There's a pole here because there's a lift above it, but the SVT Cobra, I'm not sure on a year, maybe if you know a year. Convertible. Okay, there's no cars parked next to this one, so I got a nice clean shot of this. The Cobra. It's got a nice feature on it I'm going to show you here in a second. But here's some of this. It has a parachute on it. So this thing's pretty crazy. You can see the wheels on it. It's ready to go. So with a parachute, I'm going to assume it's an under 10-second car. The reason for the parachute. And we have this shot here of the entire showroom. They have a little upstairs area you can go to and give you a sense of the whole room. They've just got tons and tons of stuff out here. It's dark in a lot of these places, and I'm out of batteries, so I'm switching to the GoPro. But there's their showroom. Like I said, it's as it sits, so if you see something, it might not be here anymore. Because this is just early April 2026.